once you guys are at botghost.com, you're gonna press in login with Discord. You guys might have to authorize it and whatnot, and you guys need to get a token. So you can either press that or go over to discord.com/developers/applications, new application. We're gonna name it AnswerBot, create. You guys can name it whenever you want. I don't think that matters right now. If you choose like a neat icon right now or a profile pic, I think that would be on your bot. But we're gonna hit bot over here, add bot. Yes, do it. It's gonna be named AnswerBot. You can change that. Copy icons like that. Control V, submit. I'm gonna be here, and you guys should have your own Discord channel. You can add a server, create. That's really how easy it is. If you guys want to invite anyone to your Discord server, that's up to you. This isn't a tutorial on how to make a Discord server. But once we're here, we're gonna go to settings and invite. We're gonna select a server. We'll do the one I just created. Continue. And add admin. Okay, so it's authorized. Now when we go here, AnswerBot is here. And then if you guys want to get help, you're gonna do an exclamation point, help, like that. And you guys are gonna get a DM. These are like the commands. And let's make a custom command. So we're gonna go plain text. We're gonna say hi. Hi. You guys can trigger this, which will give me a DM or the person. If you say hi with an exclamation point, like this, but you guys have to be on the server. You cannot directly DM it. So exclamation point and hi. It's not ready yet, but if you guys do that, wait, I'm not gonna have a DM me. Save changes. All changes have been saved. Meaning, so if I do hi again, AnswerBot says hi. So you guys could use this to link your YouTube or anything like that. This is like a really easy thing. You guys can enable levels, save. And then now I can type in level, make reviews 0, rank number 1, and you can do a lot of things with this. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys liked it, please hit that like button, subscribe, and peace.